In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't take screenshots due to security policy on WhatsApp. If you're encountering the can't take screenshot due to security policy issue on WhatsApp, there are several ways to troubleshoot and resolve it. The first thing that you can do is to remove device admin. If your device was provided by a company or school, it might have restrictions preventing you from capturing your screen. To fix this, go to your Android phone settings, navigate to biometrics and security, then select other security settings. From there, tap on device admin apps and find the suspected app. Disable its admin rights. The second thing that you can do is to enable capturing in incognito mode. Some apps allow screenshots only in incognito mode. Try taking a screenshot while using WhatsApp in incognito mode. The third thing that you can do is to close apps running on screen. Certain apps may interfere with screenshot functionality. Close any other apps running in the background and then attempt to take a screenshot on WhatsApp. Fourth thing that you can do is to use screencast. If regular screenshots don't work, consider using screen recording to capture what's on your screen. The fifth thing that you can do is to install third-party application. You can install third-party applications specifically designed to capture screenshots even when security policies are in place. The last thing you can do would be to use your phone's voice assistant to take screenshots by voice command. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.